Hi guys, Steph here, and a happy new year to all of you. So, new year, as you've noticed, hopefully, new colours, little bit of a change in the logo, so all new and fresh for the new year. So, let's get on and get some reviews done. Now, even over the Christmas period, I've been working on pens. I've been out searching for pens. And actually, just before Christmas, I found an absolutely gorgeous pen set. And this is the pen set in question. It comes in this lovely sort of brown, sort of leatherette box. For you people that sort of know your pens, you'll look at this box and you'll know straight away what it is. Plus, you would have read it on the description anyway. But let's open it up and look at that. Nice and simple. It does what it says on the box. We've got a Parker pen set. And what we've got here is nice and simple again, a Parker 61 presidential fountain pen, ballpoint and pencil set in absolutely superb condition. Without further ado, let's take a look at the fountain pen. As I said, we've got a Parker 61. This is the presidential, and for you people that don't know, nice and, well, I should stop saying nice and simple. The presidential is the top of the range within the Parker range of pens, of the model, if you like, because they also made presidentials, I believe, in Parker 51s, and I believe they may have actually made them in the Parker 75, and also they may have made them in other models, but this one, Parker 61 presidential, this is the Mark II, okay, which we'll show in a moment. The size of the pen is 137 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's just a tad over 11 millimeters in diameter. Now, as you saw before, to the ends here, we've got the grey jewels, which indicate to us, along with the converter that is fitted, that this is a cartridge converter fountain pen, with the jewels here indicating it's the Mark II. Okay, the Mark I had the capillary filler inside, and then they had the Mark III, which had the metal jewels to the ends of the pens. As I said, in stunning condition. Comes in this like a chevron pattern. Now, the chevron patterns, in my opinion, are not as common as some of the, like the barleycorn patterns. Absolutely gorgeous. The pattern is still very nice and pronounced to the touch. There's no dings. They're in absolutely superb condition. There you go. You've got a blank cartouche to the pen, as you can see there. Then if we take you up to the cap, you'll see it says Parker. Okay, it's got the, just to the right of it there, it's got the Hallmarks, and then to the back, made in England. So the fact that it's got hallmarks, this is the 9-karat gold version. If we also take a look at the barrel there you go. You can see we've got a lovely clear hallmarks. It's got the PP, it's got the crown, the 375, it's got the leopard's head, and the date letter A for 1975. Incidentally, the rest of it just means that it's 9 carat with the London assay marks. Okay, so we've got the marks to the barrel, we've got the marks to the cap band, we've got this lovely, well, very recognizable arrow clip there, and also, is it to the top there? Okay, you can see to the very top, even the clip is hallmarked 9 carat gold. But all in all, yeah, an absolutely stunning pen. Well, a stunning set. If we undo the barrel for you, there you go. It's fitted with a converter. As I said, this Mark II is what we term as a cartridge converter fountain pen. You can see to the very top, it's got the inlaid arrow there. Okay, to the top of this section. And the cherry on the cake for this particular pen, look at that. It's got a lovely sort of stub. Well, is it a stub or a italic broad nib? Gorgeous. There's a sideways view. There's the feed underneath. And you can see again the nib there is this lovely stub nib. And again, a broad nib as well. Now, I'm not going to do a writing sample because quite simply, I actually, just to service the pen, I took it apart. Inside here, the collector, the feed, the nib itself were all lovely and clean. There was no sign of any ink inside the pen. Okay, so as far as I'm concerned, the pen has never been inked. So I'm not going to do a writing sample. I'm going to leave that to the new owners because they can decide whether they want to keep the pen in a collection or to use it. Now, nice and simple, as I say, I'm going to look for a new home for this set, but if it doesn't sell, this I will be keeping in my collection. Okay, so we've also got a ballpoint, which is, there you go, cap actuated. And it's also got, there you go, it's got the hallmarks to the barrel there. Also the cap there, Parker. Okay, made in England, hallmarks, got the logo. And the same applies to the very top of the clip, and once again the grey jewel there. So we've got a gorgeous ballpoint pen, also in superb condition. No dings at all on any of these pens. And if we turn the cap for you, you can see the lead comes out of the pencil, as you can see there. Okay, clear cartouche again, beautiful condition, hallmarked as the rest of them there. Parker to the cap, as you can see, and once again the lovely grey jewel to the very top there. So all 3 pens fully hallmarked. As I say, I'm not going to test the pen, but just to show you, because I've put a new refill in the ballpoint. So we've got a Parker ballpoint in 9 carat gold, made in England. Okay, so in full working order, as you'd expect. The pencil also, as I said, if you just give it a little bit of a twirl. Okay. Parker pencil. Made in England. In gorgeous condition. So you can see both the ballpoint and the pencil are both in full working order. The pen itself is in full working order. As I said, in my opinion, never been inked. So there we have it. And we're going to leave it at that. Okay, we've got this lovely engine turned, as I say, chevron pattern, which again, in my opinion, less common than the rest of the, some of the other patterns, but in stunning condition. And there we have it. What a lovely start to the new year. A Parker 61 presidential set in the original case. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, this year I want more people to leave comments below. I want more people to give the video a thumbs up, and obviously more people to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. And also I'm going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this beautiful, handsome fountain pen set. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.